BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as many of you will know, Windows 10 and Windows 11 come with a default Windows security app that's bundled by default in both operating systems. And part of the Windows security app is the virus and threat protection, which is Microsoft Defender, or also called Windows Defender. Now, in a recent announcement, Microsoft has announced that if you are a Microsoft 365 subscriber, so you have a paid subscription to Microsoft 365, the new Microsoft Defender, as I have been posting on over the last couple of months, and if you want some more info on the new Microsoft Defender, just do a search on the channel, as I have posted numerous videos previously. Now, according to this recent announcement by Microsoft, the Microsoft Defender app, which is available for download from the Microsoft Store, will be automatically now installed on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs very soon if you are a Microsoft 365 subscriber, as mentioned. Now, heading over to that announcement, Microsoft says here that starting in late February of 2023, so we are already on the 27th of February in my region, so we're basically at the end of February, so any day now, the Microsoft Defender app will be included in the Microsoft 365 installer. That means that when you install the Microsoft 365 apps on your Windows device, the Microsoft Defender app will automatically be installed for you along with the other apps. So that's not the default Windows security. We're talking about the Microsoft Defender app, as mentioned, that is available for download from the Microsoft Store. And they carry on to say that if you have an active Microsoft 365 subscription and have already installed the Microsoft 365 apps, then the Defender app will be automatically installed for you with the next update. And basically, if you want any more information, I'll just leave a link to this page down below in case that would be useful. So just letting you know that it seems once again that Microsoft is getting a little bit pushy or assertive in its so-called marketing, where now obviously they are pushing this out on people with Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Now, the so-called good news is that if you do get the new Microsoft Defender installed on your device, if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription shortly, it doesn't mean that the software will be activated automatically. It won't sign you into the actual Microsoft Defender, which you need to do to use the app in the correct manner and the correct way. So it'll only be activated if you sign in with your Microsoft account manually. So it's not going to activate the app. It's just going to install it automatically onto your device very shortly, as of the end of February, as Microsoft has announced. And that's if you have a active Microsoft 365 subscription. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.